be loved, never be loved. Way too mentally fucked, and there ain't no end to the pain. What I've been through is strenuous. Looking in the mirror, what have I become? Monsters in my head try to run everything that I'm hiding from still appear when my eyes are shut. So hello darkness, my old friend, better get out that violin and cry again. I think I need a psychiatrist prescribing more than vitamins for me to confide in him about this mental torture. I don't fit in, feeling like a foreigner. Never my pain is a friend of mine. I've been so dead inside, call me the coroner. The rigor mortis is setting in. Suicide is in my head again. Doctor, I need me some medicine. I might just pop a few sedatives, but I slowly been losing the benefits. Nothing is helping. No, I'm not a human, a shell of myself, I'm a skeleton. No, even when everything's awful, I'm someone you never should bet against. I would lay awake every night and pray. Mama used to say I was underway, waiting for the day, but it never came. Now I'm all alone, nothing ever changed. Say your prayers, say a prayer. I'm a new pain and sun so long. Never been afraid to walk alone. Can't be broken, invincible.
The sky turns red, the ashes fall. Are you scared to lose it all? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Do you feel the winds of change? Things will never be the same. Won't sell my soul, 'cause I am invincible.
I feel the heat right below my shoes. Walking through the coast, but no one knew the truth. Didn't when I go to school, it's true. Used to get bullied till I was fully bruised and blue. What I'm going through is too much to show to you. Something that I'm never gonna fully do. A lot of the time there's a lot that I'm hiding, when the wounds are now healed, but the scars still inside of me. I do not fit in this world that was made. Sometimes it feels like I live in a cage. On the inside that a part of me died when I was only like 9. Is when everything changed. I'm on a road that is heading for pain. Only thing I'm fitting in is my grave. No silver lining, but until then I'm climbing the heart of a lion. I cannot be tamed. But I'm mad, I'm a mystical, and when it comes to invincible, I met the chord, I meant to go to Pensacola, but I missed the boat and left the ocean, hit the road and went through the winter cold. Was miserable, but still I had to keep that invisible. I ain't a prince, never kissed a toad of principles, and now I'm about to crack that Da Vinci code. I would lay awake every night and pray. Mama used to say I was underway, waiting for the day, but it never came. Now I'm all alone, nothing ever changed. Say your prayers, say a prayer. I'm a new pain and sung so long. Never been afraid to walk alone. Can't be broken, invincible.
The sky turns red, the